Good day, my name is Amanda J.N. Sylvester, and today I will be presenting about a serious pest that affects coconut crops, which is the coconut Rhinoceros beetle, also known as CRB. So, coconut is an important crop in many tropical countries. It provides income for farmers, and it widely used in food, oil production, and various industries. However, one of the major threats to coconut palms is the coconut Rhinoceros beetle. This beetle damages the plant by boring into the growing point, which is the heart of the coconut palm. If not managed properly, it can reduce the yield or even kill the tree. The scientific name of this pest is Orectus rhinoceros. It belongs to the order Coleoptera and the family Scarabaeidae. This beetle is quite large, around 3 to 5 centimeters in length. Its body is shiny black or dark brown. And one interesting fact is that male beetles have a long curved horn on their head. So that's why it's called the rhinoceros beetle. So next, the coconut rhinoceros beetle has 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. So the female lays eggs in the rotting woods or compost, and after about 8 to 12 days, the eggs hatch into white, soft-bodied larvae, which is grubs. These larvae feed on decaying matter and grow for 8 to 10 weeks, and next they enter the pupa stage, which lasts around 2 to 3 weeks, and after that, the adult beetle emerges. Now, let us look at the damage caused by the rhinoceros beetle to coconut trees and how we can identify the signs of its attack. So, this beetle usually attacks young coconut trees. It eats the soft parts of the top of the tree, which is where new leaves grow when the beetle makes holes and eats inside. It causes serious damage. So the tree cannot grow properly, and it may also get infected by other diseases through these holes. And if we do not take action early, the tree might die. So there are several signs that shows the beetle is present. The most common sign is the V-shape cut on the young leaf. So this happens when the beetle eats the leaf while it's still folded. And later, when the leaf opens, we can clearly see the V shape. Another sign is the presence of holes at the base of the leaf, especially where the leaf joins the trunks. And if you check this area, you may also find wet or soft fiber. So this means the beetle is active inside the tree. And you may also see bite marks and moist fiber, showing that the beetle is currently damaging the tree. Over time, the crown of the tree, the top part, it can become soft or rotten due to disease. So, in young trees, the stem or trunk may also be damaged and weak. All of these signs are important for early detection. And if farmers or workers can spot these symptoms early, they can take action to control the beetle and save the tree. The beetles mostly attack the crown region of the palm. Their breeding areas include rotten logs, compost heaps, dead trunks, and manure piles. Adult beetles can fly from this breeding site to coconut tree, and larvae remain in moist, decaying materials. So, the presence of waste or rotting organic matter near the plantation increases the risk of infestation. This pest is nocturnal, meaning it is mostly active at night, and in Malaysia, the beetle was first detected in the early 2000s. So its activity increases during the rainy seasons because wet conditions support faster breeding. So the beetle is attracted to moist, dark environments, and it is commonly found in neglected farms with poor sanitation. So when there are piles of organic waste such as old palm trunks or compost, the beetle finds it an ideal place to breed. So, there are four main methods to control the coconut rhinoceros beetle. The first one is cultural control. This involves removing dead palm trunks, cleaning compost piles, and keeping the surroundings clean to destroy the breeding sites. And the second one is mechanical control, where farmers can hand-pick beetles at night using light traps or set up pheromone traps to attract and monitor adult beetles. Next is biological control. A virus called Oryctes nudibvirus or RNV can infect and kill the beetles. And we can also introduce natural enemies like centipedes, which prey on the larvae. And the last one is chemical control. And as the last resort, insecticides can be applied, especially in the breeding areas. However, this must be done carefully to avoid harming the environment and other insects. So, combining these methods in an integrated approach known as IPM or integrated pest management is the best strategy for long-term control. In conclusion, the coconut rhinoceros beetle is a dangerous pest that can seriously affect coconut production. Early signs of damage may not be obvious, but if ignored, they can lead to major yield losses or even tree death. And to protect our coconut crops, regular monitoring and proper waste management are very important. So farmers and plantation workers must work together and apply integrated pest management techniques. By keeping the environment clean and taking early action, we can reduce the population of this beetle and safeguard our coconut industry. And that's all from me. Thank you.